Huh? A quick midnight snack, and then it's back to bed. Getting hungry. I'll only be gone a second.
Hey!
Oh! My stomach has receded. So tired, so hungry, but must wait for Toy. Ooh, seems like I'm running on empty. You're right, Gary. All this cloud watching is making me hungry, too. Ooh, look at that big one, Gary.
I'm not so sure about that. If they were intelligent, they would have eaten this Krabby Patty.
Speaking of eating...
You're right! It's lunchtime!